Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to finish showing you what I showed you last week.
Why, thank you, Liz.
How to use the AOS Library to make animations on scrolls, so your things can go poof and then appear again. We left off last week like this. We finished all the CSS. Now it's just time to plug in the library, and it's not that hard. You're going to need to copy the links for the library in the description. It's going to be a script tag and a link tag. Copy those two and you'll be ready to go as long as you've seen the video from last week. If you haven't seen it and you're just watching this one, click on the card to watch last week's first and then watch this week's. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open the file from last week in your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. Here we go, there's that file. And there's not much we got to do. So first, up here in the head, paste in the link to those two sources. Paste them into the head for AOS. And then, down here in the body, make a script tag, script, and type AOS with a capital A-O and S dot init, open parentheses, and this next part is optional, open curly braces, duration, colon 500. What this does is it means that it'll take half a second for whatever animation it does to play. So yeah, that's 500 milliseconds. So that's half a second, and close curly braces, close parentheses. You don't have to do that because it has a default one, so if you just want to use the default, go ahead, I don't care. Close that script tag, and onto the not optional. Magic School Bus! It's a great show though. It's what I would be watching if I wasn't making this video. Inside the div, add an attribute called data-AOS equals, and in quotes, fade dash up. That will make it fade up. You can do a different animation, like zoom out, or zoom in, or flip left, or something like that, you know? You can do that too if you want. I like fade up. Now, see all these line breaks over here? Copy them and paste them a bunch of times so that you have something to scroll through. Because I don't want to put a bunch of text there, so line breaks. Alright, that looks like about enough line breaks. Let's save this code and get testing. So, pop open your browser, find the file on your computer, and drag it into your new tab. There's our nice snowy image. And if I scroll down, hi there. Look. See how it fades up? And you can even change, if we go back to our code editor here, you can even change it so let's go with zoom dash out. Save. Go back to our browser and reload. It's a different image as you can see, and it zooms in and out. So there are a lot of other animations. I'll put a link to their website in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember that masking tape is pretty good, so if you don't have any duct tape, it'll do the trick.